Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nandana and today I'll be doing a little get ready with me. So it is Saturday and I'll be going out for a date, and I thought ki let's do my makeup in front of you all, and this will be a little chat session, and I'll be doing my makeup. So let's get started with the video without further ado. After a lot of confusion, I finally decided to wear this dress. This is from Zara's last year collection, and I have been waiting for a very long time to wear it because I bought it in October, I guess, and it was just starting to feel like a little chilly, and that's why I couldn't get to wear it. But finally it's summer and I decided to wear this. I had a little confusion. I thought I'll wear a pink dress, but I always wear pink, guys, so that's why I thought I'll go with this dress today. And let's get started. First I'll do my skincare. I'll be starting with this Plum's vitamin C serum, and skincare is very important, so skincare is a must before makeup. Next step I'll be doing is sunscreen. Where is it? This is the one I'll be using. 2 fingers of sunscreen is a must. Just simply start blending my sunscreen. Now that we're done with the sunscreen, we'll be starting off with the makeup. First we will use a primer. The primer I'll be using is from Blue Heaven. This was gifted to me as a PR. So let's see, I'll be using it, I guess, for the second or third time. It's actually good, it does the job. Taking a little bit and using it on my nose and cheeks. I guess my skin is properly prepped now, and now we can start off with the makeup finally. For the makeup, I'll be starting off, I don't know where my things are, oh my god. And firstly we have the foundation. This is from Maybelline and this is their Superstay foundation. I love this foundation. This is my holy grail. I use it like whenever I want my makeup to stay for a very long time, I use it. And I'll be using it. Very little is required, like I don't need to use a lot when it comes to this foundation. You can see how little I'll be using it, just using my fingers to add little dots everywhere on my face, a little on the neck as well. That's all I'll be using it for today. So I'll be using this brush from Bronson Professional, which I just bought from the Nika's Pink Love sale, and this is the first time I'll be using it. So let's see how it is. So now I have applied my foundation. I guess you can see how good coverage it gives. Now I'll be using the Swiss Beauty's concealer, which I also bought from the Nika's Pink Love sale. Just a little wherever required, not a lot. That's all I want to apply for the moment. I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend this very nicely. I guess it's done now, and next I'll move on to the compact powder. This is from Fit Me, and I love that it has a mirror, you know. Not all compact powders has a mirror, and that's the reason why I use it. Because it comes very handy when I'm traveling or I'm out and I need a compact, and it must have a mirror. I feel like compact powders should have a mirror. I don't know why brands even come up with compact powders without mirror. What's the point of it, I mean? Oh my god. I guess that's today's rant. For the blush, I'm applying this K-Beauty ka blush. This is a matte blush, and just a little. Like, it's very pigmented. If I apply too much, I'll look like a clown. Blush is done. Next, moving on to my eye makeup. I want it to be very subtle, so I'll be using a nude color. Let's see what we have here. I'll be using these 2 colors, and we'll be mixing a little with this as well, and we'll create a very nudish kind of look. Firstly, I'm using this white color and using it on my outer corners of the eye. After that, I'll be moving on to this color, this one here, right here. Using a little on my inner corner as well. And then using this brush to blend it out all together. For the eyeliner, I'll be using this Minisoka green eyeliner for the first time. So yeah, let's see how it is. I really like the tip, it's very thin. I guess both of my liners matched, and that's a very rare occurring, by the way. To complete my eye look, I'll be using this mascara from Maybelline. This is Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara, and this is my favorite from their range. I haven't tried the new ones that launched a little while ago, but this is my favorite. So I'll be using it above my eyelashes as well as under my eyelashes. Using this eyebrow pencil from Lakme. This is, I guess, Lakme Absolute eyebrow pencil, and I really like it. It has this little spoolie kind of thing at the back. So yeah, just filling in my eyebrows, not doing too much because I want my look to be very subtle. Brushing with this side, and yes, that's it. My eyebrows are done. And now comes my favorite part, that is lipstick. For the lips, I'll be mixing two lipsticks. Both are from MyGlam. I'll be mentioning all the shades and everything in the description box below. So let's get started with the lipstick. So this is the shade. I want my lips to look very pinkish, kind of nudish pink kind of look. So that's why I'll be going with this lipstick today. It's a little too pink, so that's why I'll be mixing it with this color. Almost forgot the last step, that is highlighter. I'll be using Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the rose gold shade. I'll be taking a little and using it just over here and here. A little on the nose and a little below the eyebrows. Can you see how instantly it brought a little glow on my face? Makeup करते करते ना थोड़ा सा भूख लग गया, and that's why I'm having a little protein bar right now. Too good. I guess the makeup turned out pretty great. Let me know what you think. And I guess, yeah, this is my final look. I'll just quickly do my hair and I'll show you how it finally looks. And yeah, that's the final look. For the hair, I've tied my hair with this claw clip and wore this golden earrings. I think it goes really well with this neck piece. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you guys on my next video only on YouTube. Bye till then.